Hello class, I am your social studies teacher. Today we are going to start chapter 4 geography, that is map. A map is a drawing or a plan of the earth surface or a part of it on a flat surface. It can be created on a sheet of paper, on the ground or even on a computer. As we know that our earth is in the form of an sphere. When we draw map, it is on a sheet of paper which is in flat form. So there are some countries whose actual size which is depicted in the map is not the actual size, because when we convert the globe on a map, then some portion of the north pole and the south pole get flattened and the area increases. The word map is derived from the Latin word mappa, which means cloth. It is so called. The earlier maps were mostly either made or drawn on cloths, skins. The earliest map is believed to have been made in 2300 BC, before Christ. The credit for establishing map making is a science goes to The credit for establishing map making as a science goes to Ptolemy, an Egyptian. He was the first to make a map on a scientific basis and draw a north line to depict direction. Here is an experiment given for you. Students, do this experiment. Take a piece of paper and wrap it over a globe. You will see that it is impossible to cover the globe with the piece of a paper without making folds or creases. In the paper you will also notice the maximum number of folds at the poles and the minimum around the middle, around the equator. When the paper is unwrapped, the north pole and the south pole opens out to become a straight line. The part with least number of creases open out into the straight line. The open area of poles and the middle area are equal in length. Now you can see how the poles, which are just point on a globe, are stretched in a map, become equal to the middle portion of the globe. Thus, shapes near the poles have maximum distortion when represented on a map. Still, a map is a better option than a globe. मैप पे हम लोग ज़्यादा आसानी से समझ सकते हैं. इट इज़ मोर अंडरस्टैंडेबल फॉर्म इन कंपैरिजन टू ग्लोब. Now let's see the various types of map. Physical map. Map which shows the natural features of the earth such as mountain, plateaus, river, plains, known as the physical map. Second is the political map. Map which shows the cities, countries, their boundaries is called the political map. Thematic map. Certain maps which provide the specific information about road, building, railway, population, structure, etc. These are called the thematic map. These are based on the theme, some proper theme. That's why they are called the thematic map. Let's see. This is the physical map of India. This is the political map of India, in which you can see the various states and the union territories of the India. This is the thematic map. Components of map. Every map has three main components: the direction, the distance, and the symbols. Direction. All maps should show the direction with an upright arrow mark in the upper right hand corner. The tip of the arrow is marked with N, which means the north direction. distance, or we can say it scale. अ मैप इज़ रिड्यूस्ड वर्जन ऑफ अर्थ. हमारी अर्थ जितनी बड़ी है उतने बड़े तो हम किसी मैप में उसको शो कर नहीं सकते हैं. तो मैप क्या है, एक छोटा मॉडल है हमारी अर्थ का, रिप्रेजेंट करता है वो. तो इसके लिए हमको स्केल लेनी पड़ती है. जैसे कि अगर हमको दिखाना है कि हमारी सिटी का कोई 1 किलोमीटर का एरिया है, तो वो मैप पे हम कैसे दिखाएंगे, वो हम 1 किलोमीटर को 1 सेंटीमीटर में दिखा सकते हैं. इसी को कहते हैं स्केलिंग ऑफ डिस्टेंस ऑन अ मैप. हम डिस्टेंस ऐसे काउंट कर सकते हैं. देन है हमारा सिम्बल्स. सिम्बल्स आर सम साइंस एंड द शेप्स विच वी आर यूजिंग टू रिप्रेजेंट समथिंग ऑन आवर मैप. Like for railways we are using the lines, two parallel lines. For temples we are using the small symbol of a temple. Let's see here, there are some here some symbols are given for you. For river, well and tank, capital, road, railway line, forest. Now let's see what is a sketch. A sketch is a rough drawing mainly based on the memory and spot observation and not to scale. Map is on different from a sketch. Sketch is not up to the scale, but map have a scale. A plan is a representation of area with reduced measurement, with reduced scale. Means if we have a house plan, it shows the reduced area or reduced scale on a piece of paper. The architecture use this type of designs, or which we call plan. So let's have a recap what we have studied in this chapter. Map is a representation of Earth's surface to be chosen on scale. Atlas is a collection of map in the form of a book. Cartography is the art of map making. Scale, a ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. Conventional signs, symbols that are used all over the world in the various maps to show different features, that is mountain, valleys, river, etc. A sketch is a rough drawing of a place without a scale. Plan is a drawing of a small area by using a very large scale. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.